Hello guys, review Motorola Edge 60 Neo. This version 12GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have only Type-C to Type-C cable and protected back cover, protected case. Okay. Blue color device and this all complementation. Okay. Turn on device. We have display POLED, Full HD Plus resolution. About phone we have Android 15. Camera, rear camera 50 megapixel, 30 megapixel, 10 megapixel, display Full HD Plus, power button, volume buttons on this side, on downside slot for SIM card, only one SIM card, Type-C, speaker on the downside. Okay, open tests, open Geekbench 6, single core score, multi-core score results, GPU test results, and look onto the benchmark results. Okay, very good. Mali G615 GPU and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Let's see gameplay. Game load, and we have good graphics, HDR and ultra frame rate, and game works very good without lags and glitches. Okay, perfect. Close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.